Hey, welcome back. We've got lots going on now, and it's only been 9 days since last time I come on. We got lettuce coming here. We got, look at the little radishes starting. One thing I wanted to show you about this apple tree, I thought it was going to have like 100 apples. I guess Mother Nature thinks differently. A lot of the small ones fell off, so I'm only left with just a few. I think I counted like 25 apples, but they're going to be big. And look, the potatoes are doing great, fantastic. It's about 90 degrees today. Everything's growing crazy. The butternuts are reaching the top of their support. And I got potatoes and yellow beans in the front there. A couple of squash are running over. I mean, this has only been 9 days, guys. Only 9 days. But yeah, over here, these are the tiger lilies. They're all out now. They look awesome. Oh, right in here is I got the garlic hanging. It's curing. Yeah, we pulled all the garlic, so right here was all that garlic, and I replanted it. I'm going to have beets over here. My fall beets are going to be in here. We're just about ready to get some yellow beans now. They're getting big. I don't know if I can find some in here, but yeah, right here. Right here. Right there. Right here. Yellow beans are coming. Robbie's doing good. We're gonna have squash in no time. This is the yellow squash. Right there's a little one. I mean, there's lots of squash. We're gonna have a lot of squash. And here's one. Right there. Yeah, look close right here. Right here's a nice little one. A couple days that'll be ready for the pan. Cook that up. And the zucchini has the darker leaves, and the zucchini right here, that is doing great. It's black, the black zucchini there. And I got a zucchini right here, and that one's doing good. I mean, we're gonna have a lot of zucchini. These plant just 9 days. That's all it's been. We also pulled, well, this is where the beets were, and we pulled the beets, and I planted nothing but yellow beans in through here, hoping to get enough to freeze in the freezer. But look at the tomato plants are now, this one's almost as tall as I am. And check out the tomatoes right here. We're gonna have so many tomatoes. That's like a foot long, nothing but cherry tomatoes. Look at these guys. It's from knocking out the sucker right here. That's what I mean by the sucker. You got a main thing here, and you gotta, like, it's growing inside here, and you just want to come back and get that out of there. This is the sucker, and your tomatoes will be more of them and bigger. So right here's another sucker. Right there's a sucker. I just take my nail and pinch it out. But yeah, I gotta get watering these. They're starting to droop a little bit. But yeah, here's those wild daisies. These are supposed to be some kind of flowers, but I don't see nothing yet. This is the yellow tomato, and we got some right here growing. So that's awesome. I had to put this stuff up here because the birds this time of year, for some reason, they especially with the yellow beans, when they start popping up, they look like, I guess, worms or bugs or something to them, and they'll snap the heads off the beans. So I put this bird tape up. My friend says it works, and he uses it, and so I'm trying it this year. I think that's just about it. So yeah, let's come over here. I gotta show you how tall. It in just like 9 days. This stuff is just exploding. This, it's ready to go over the top of the support. And look at these. This is growing insanely high. This is all filled in. These are all potatoes. Look at these potatoes. It's crazy. I seen a couple birds coming down eating these berries. They're pretty good. I like them. If they leave me any. Well, oh well, that's good. But yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. Look at these. They're all starting to come up over the supports. So I guess that's it. All right, out.